There are all kinds of patterns in numbers that appear in the real world. Part of math involves recognizing these patterns. So if you can understand the patterns, you can understand the world, or at least a little of how it works. One of the patterns in numbers is called Benford's law. Physicist Frank Benford noticed there was a pattern in how often a number appears as the first digit in statistics and figures. In fact, he noticed that you are 6 times more likely to find a number beginning with 1 than you are a number beginning with 9. And his law goes on to make predictions about how often a number appears as the second and third digits and so forth. Don't believe me? Try looking at the news. Take out numbers that make the news. Do ones appear as the first digit a lot more than nines? Benford's law has been found to apply to all sorts of facts to do with numbers, from electricity bills to street addresses, population numbers, and even lengths of rivers. But what's the point of all this? Well, Benford's law has been used to spot cases where people try to cheat. By changing the number of votes cast during an election, where the made-up numbers just didn't obey Benford's law of how often certain numbers appear in the first position, the second position, and so on. The same is true when people cheat others of money by changing the amount on paper. The made-up numbers often don't follow Benford's law, making them easier to spot. Did you enjoy this episode of Make It Count?
Keep hanging with us.
We have more ways to show you how math can make your everyday better.